everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Blue European Crayfish Sashimi recipe in Heartopia. So to unlock this recipe is pretty easy. First, just go to the stove, tap on it, and then just tap on or choose the crayfish sashimi like this. The crayfish sashimi recipe like this. You can just get this recipe from the NPC chef Massimo, and after that, just change the ingredients from the crayfish to blue crayfish like this. Just change all the ingredients like this, and then you need a lettuce too like this. So to make this blue European crayfish, you need 3 blue European crayfish and then lettuce. And after that, just simply tap start cooking to cook this sashimi like this. And just like this, you will unlock the new recipe, Blue European Crayfish Sashimi, like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!